Guys, this is Alex from Twins Garage, and I think my package is here, so let's take a look. Oh yeah, smaller than I thought. Alright, so my package has arrived. Now before I open this, I want to say that I'll probably next week make a video, or this weekend actually, of my wife's Subaru. I just bought it for her. The Subaru Outback of 2016. It's got the eyesight. It's really cool. But anyway, let's open this up. Alright, right here it is. It is a oil catch can. I'm going to be putting it on the Kia. The bracket's not as good as I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be a little bit taller. All in all, it don't feel too bad. It's got a drain plug here. I don't like this feeling. This actually don't feel too bad. I might get some steel wool and well, I guess I don't really need to, because I think since it has the filter, it doesn't need to have it done. My car's actually making a crazy noise right now. At first, when I first actually heard it, I thought, holy shit, I think it's knocking. And then I'm listening more, and then I started thinking it was more of a exhaust leak. So I haven't decided yet if I was going to take this to Aaron's or if I'm going to do it. So we'll see later in the video whatever I end up doing. But after I install this, I'll also be making another video. I have to change out my GDI pump. It's going bad. It's making a crazy noise. Yeah, so you'll probably see me with Aaron in a second, or working on the Kia.
3 days later.
Guys, this is Alex from Twins Garage, filming on the GoPro here, and I'm with Aaron. Hopefully it turns out, because I'm not going to hook up my phone so I can see the footage, but I think I'm going to buy a new camera next week or in the next couple weeks after I get my Apple Watch. Maybe let Aaron keep this one here for a while. Alright, so today, working on the Kia. Still need to get a hood, got to go to the junkyard to do that, but today we are going to install an oil catch can.
Why, Alex? Why would you install an oil catch can on a Kia Soul?
Now, the reason why is because this is a GDI engine, and they are obviously known to be complete shit. Basically, I think all the oil, like residue or whatever, builds up on, what is it, the valves, pistons, whatever. I don't know that much about engines. So this is supposed to help prolong your engine. Alright, so this video is going to be for anyone that wants to install an oil catch can, particularly on a Kia Soul. This is a 2013, but all Kia Souls are going to be almost exactly the same. Very simple. So basically the first thing that you have to do, which I already did, is pull these clips back. There's 2 of them. And then you're going to have to take a screwdriver and just put it in here and wiggle it until it comes loose. I already took mine off, so it just pulls off. And then that's it. So now that that is off, I got to run to O'Reilly's or AutoZone, and I'm going to bring that with me and so I can get the correct size. And I'm probably by about 4 feet. So we'll see you in a second. Alright, it's loud as fuck in here, but we are headed to O'Reilly's. Alright, so it goes on there perfectly. I got, what was this, Aaron? Size?
3/8.
3/8, yep, I see it now.
First attempt at hydro dipping. It kind of failed. I put the tape to protect these buttons, and it didn't go in there. There's a bunch of little spots here. There's a big old spot here, down in there. Not at all, so I may find somebody to do it for me.
This was custom, so he couldn't get the buttons off, by the way. Alright, so now we got to figure out where do we want to put this. Alright, so right now we're taking the bracket off. My fucking God's holding it up. I'm like Phil Collins from the Trailer Park Boys.
It's the right size for that one, but not this one.
Fucking. No! We put it too far to the left. Alright, so first off, this is my GDI pump. It's going bad, so the engine sounds like complete crap right now.
Good job.
Don't look too good, but oh well, good enough. So that's the back side done, which is the end. Did you put it in the end?
Yeah.
And then now we gotta go get more hose. It's a little bit bigger to run it. Probably do it another 4 feet.
Another one. Just not touch it.
Nice. All right, now we gotta run back to O'Reilly's.
Oh, birds. Ow!
You're keeping that in the video because you put my dances and stuff in there.
Well, most people probably won't get it. They don't know what O'Reilly's is.
I'm guessing most people know what O'Reilly's is. Especially around here, it's the most common commercial on YouTube.
That's true, and there's only 4 viewers on our videos.
Yeah, exactly.
Me, you, Mom, and
James. If he still watches them. All right, back to Aaron's. Good?
Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
Should be. Give me one of those twisties.
Alright. We got the stickers on, or a sticker on the Kia, so if you want a sticker, message, Aaron will send you one. Alright, so we did the oil catch can. I'll probably have to do the GDI pump soon, so we'll probably end up doing that here too. And then a few more things I want to do. After winter, I might buy rims if I still have it. And then hopefully get, by spring I'm hoping I have a house out here so I can start working on the RX-7 more. But
Yeah, anyways, hopefully within the next maybe week or two, Alex can come over again and we can finish getting this welded up. Oh, and Andrew's supposed to come help me finish getting the front end out. Once that's out, I'm going to start drilling out the broken bolts because we got a lot of them on here. And then start putting all the new stuff in. I still got to drop the new engine cradle and rear end off at the sandblasting place because I'm going to get them powder coated. But once those are off, it's pretty much going to be downhill from there. We can start putting everything back together and get this car finally back on the road. Oh, I want to show you what I just got in the mail today.
beautiful Evo. Josh is randomly tearing apart again.
This is like a time capsule right here. Don't really see these around anymore. So I believe this is the first gen Turbo X's UTEC system. It's technically a piggyback ECU because you need a ECU, but this thing does just as much as a standalone ECU does. I'm not even sure why they require you to use the stock ECU on there. The car plugs into here and this will plug into the stock ECU, but you can have a ton of different tunes and you can select between which tune you want using this little switch.
Yeah, Aaron definitely needs to set up a weekend and like clean this place out. It's getting messy. Not very organized. I think you need to get another workbench over for this wall over here.
Well, my plan is I'm getting the heater put up there. I already have the trench for the gas line. I want to do that tomorrow, actually.
Oh, when I came in here, Aaron wasn't here, so man, why is that very loud ass car drive by? Anyway, when I got here, Aaron wasn't here, so I came in and opened the garage while I was waiting for him, and I noticed this. I want to ask him, what the fuck is this? Like, what is that? Bull bar, whatever, push bar? Whose is that? Where'd you get it?
Rachel's brother.
Oh.
His friend crashed his Bronco and gave it to him, and he didn't have any need for it, so he just brought it here. I was like, here, if you don't want it.
That's pretty sweet. Alright, so I think we're going to end the video here. Aaron's already editing a couple right now, so I have to send him these clips that he can edit.
Don't hold my hand. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.
Peace out.
Peace.